In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you open Canva, so even if you're totally new to the platform, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll have a polished Facebook ad design that's ready to download and use in your campaigns. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look towards the top right area of the screen for the button labeled Create a Design. This is where every new project in Canva starts. Go ahead and click that. Think of this as telling Canva what kind of content you want to make, so it can set the right size and format for you. After clicking Create a Design, a search bar will appear. In this bar, start typing Facebook ads. As you type, Canva will suggest different formats related to Facebook, like posts, covers, and ads. You want to be sure you choose the one specifically for ads so the dimensions match what Facebook expects. This helps your design look clean and professional when it appears in people's feeds. Once you see Facebook ad or Facebook ads in the drop-down list, click on that option. Canva will open a fresh design canvas that's already sized correctly for Facebook advertising. You'll see a blank page in the middle and a menu on the left side with different tools and options. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to make the design process easier by using templates. On the left-hand side panel, look for the tab labeled Templates and click on it. This will open a large library of pre-made Facebook ad designs that you can customize. Templates are really helpful because they're built with balanced layouts, good font pairings, and strong visuals, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can scroll through the templates to find one that fits your brand or your campaign goal, whether that's promoting a sale, announcing an event, or highlighting a product. When you find a design you like, simply click on it and it will automatically apply to your blank canvas. From there, you can edit the text, change the colors to match your brand, and swap in your own images or logos. And that's the basic setup for creating Facebook ads in Canva. Start a new design, search and select the Facebook ads format, and then open the templates panel to choose a starting point for your ad.